As a nonprofit leader, you're always looking for innovative ways to drive sustainable impact. But what if the next big breakthrough for your organization isn't where you'd expect? Welcome to SubSummit, where the world's leading subscription businesses gather to learn, grow, and share. Hi, my name is Dana Snyder. I am the author of the Monthly Giving Mastermind and the founder and host of the Monthly Giving Summit. Step outside of the nonprofit echo chamber and discover transformational ideas from unexpected places. Watch how subscription giants like Amazon and Netflix and Walmart are revolutionizing member engagement and retention. And here's the best part. If your organization generates 500,000 or more in annual revenue, you can join the exclusive merchant host program. What this means, your ticket completely covered. Plus, you'll receive $750 in travel and accommodation reimbursements. You will participate in carefully curated double opt in meetings with trusted solution providers. You will connect with the people you want to meet in marketing, payment processing, loyalty, and other essential services, all handpicked to really help your organization scale rapidly. At SubSummit, every connection is intentional and every meeting is purposeful. So both you and the potential partners choose to meet each other, ensuring that your time is spent on conversations that matter. I will also be speaking and hosting a private workshop on site for all nonprofits. So please join us at SubSummit, where the future of sustainable nonprofit growth meets the power of subscription innovation. Hope to see you there.